I can't do more concise than that. Now, what comes under content strategy is three main steps: positioning, messaging, and copywriting. So, positioning is very simply identifying where you are in the market in relation to the people around you, which is your competitors.
The second stage is messaging. Here's where we understand what is the piece of communication that will make the positioning truly yours.
And then finally, copywriting is how you want to communicate it, which is basically the kind of tone that you want to use.
So when it comes to positioning, there are three key questions we start with: who you are, who's the target audience you're going after, and the market landscape you're at. That is essentially the industry you're playing at. Then we go on to the next stage. What is that one core differentiator that is keeping your business running?
And then when we come to messaging is, now that we know where we are in the market, we have to figure out what we want to communicate. Now, in order to do this, we have a couple of discovery calls with you in which we ask you very critical questions like, what is your undue advantage? What's your right to win? Why should people care about you? Is there something that you are doing competitors are not? Is there something competitors are doing that you are not? These kind of self-reflecting questions that give us deep-rooted answers. Once we have this particular context and we know who you're talking to, we then put down some communication examples. This is basically some content examples either for the website headers or for any kind of brand touch point. And we give that particular document to you so you have a fair idea of the kind of content that we're going to write.
Essentially, tone of voice is the brand's personality. Now, just like a person can say hi, hello, hola, the words mean the same, but the way it's delivered, how it is said, that is what copywriting is.
Now that you have this, the content is written, and then we make sure that this content will resonate with the right audience at the right time.
When it comes to brand communication, there are two additional steps we do: your brand framework and the verbal identity. So in the brand framework is something wherein we conduct a thorough workshop with you as a brand to understand your brand's position, your brand's story, the origin or its future growth and aspirations that you have, along with the values that you want to carry forward. The second aspect, that is the verbal identity. Here's where we bring in elements of tone of voice, but also what are the key phrases that you can keep using. This could be a tagline, this could also be a copy beat that you could use, which will resonate every time any audience that sees this piece of communication. That association is something that we would like to create for you as well. So this entire exercise in a way is to figure out what is the best way that you can build a brand that stands on its own and people would trust it.
And yeah. Should I do the last bit?